Boost your solar savings by using more of the electricity you generate. Here are 10 ways to maximize self-consumption from Axiom Eco Homes. Running appliances outside solar hours can drop self-consumption to under 30%. Smart plugs can boost self-consumption by 8% by automating small appliances. Setting timers on heating and cooling can add 12% to self-consumption. A solar diverter can add 20% to self-consumption by heating water with surplus power. Charging your electric vehicle between 10 and 3 can boost self-consumption by 15%. Switching to a time-of-use tariff can give a 15% financial benefit by matching cheap rates with solar hours. Running appliances between 10 and 3 can raise self-consumption from under 30 to over 60%. Adding more solar panels can increase self-consumption by 10% if you have demand. A 5 kilowatt-hour battery can boost self-consumption from 30 to 80%. The number one tip: shift all high-energy use to between 10 and 3 for a self-consumption rate over 60%. For more expert advice on solar panels and home energy, visit Axiom Eco Homes today.